Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today's video is on the guitar and it's on the song Peaches. I'll show you the bar chords and then we'll use some simple opening chords here too. But let's get started. First chord we're going to use is the F major 7. To an E minor. We're going to use a D minor. C major 7, sorry. Okay, so F major 7, E minor, D minor, C major 7. Now the bar chords for that, we're gonna play F major 7 up here, then E minor 7. D minor 7 and a C major 7 here. Okay, so. Now you guys can mix up both sets of chords, doesn't matter how you play it, but those are the chords we're going to use. Now strum pattern, very simple. We're going to use, let's see, I'll use up here first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Start with the down, 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 and the up. So you guys get the picture on that one. Here, same thing. I'm so used to using the record, so. So that's a simple down strum, tap, down, tap. You guys can also add an extra strum. So what I like to do is go. So down, okay, so pretty simple. Depends on what chords you guys want to use. That's a strum pattern that you guys can use. If you come up with something else, that'll work too when you're playing with a song. But I hope you guys liked that video. Check out my ukulele version here. I have it somewhere around here and down below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.